Hi guys, thank you so much for watching Reads and Talks. I am Shivani. For today's video, I'm going to review a book called Before the Coffee Gets Cold. But before starting today's video, I just want to wish you all Happy Navratri. May Mata Rani bless you all and bring happiness, peace and prosperity in your life and fulfill all the desires that you have. So the title Before the Coffee Gets Cold is written by Toshikazu Kawaguchi. It's a Japanese bestseller and the book is set in the cafe of Tokyo. The book tells you that you can travel back in time, but you have to follow 5 rules particularly. These were like you have to sit in the particular seat for the particular time. You can come. You have to come back in the present time before the coffee gets cold. If you wouldn't come, you will become a ghost. These were the conditions, and there were also some rules like you can only meet people who have came into the cafe before. You cannot meet anyone or anywhere. And the most impertinent one or the useless one the people will find who want to travel back in time was that you cannot change the present no matter how much you try to change the circumstances in the past while traveling back in time. So the book is divided into 4 chapters. It has 4 chapters which deal with different stories of different people who travel back in time. And the chapters' name are the lovers, the husband and the wife, the sisters, and the mother and the child. And the lovers, in what happens in the story called Lovers is that the female, the girl actually, travels back in time to meet her boyfriend. He make her he reveals that he's serious about their relationship, and she actually wants to find out that is he really serious about their relationship, will he marry her or not. So it is that is in the chapter. In the second chapter, the husband and the wife travels back in time, and the husband reveals to her that please remain beside me no matter what the situation would be, because he was suffering from the disease in which he would forget something sooner or later. That happens in the story. So the third story, the sisters, what happens in the story called the sisters is that there were 2 sisters. One met with an accident. So the older sister travels back in time to meet her to sort out things that were not all right in the beginning with them. So they sort out that in the chapter. The chapter called the story the sisters is very sentimental. I liked it. The fourth story is the mother and the child. The mother travels in the future, and these three former stories, uh, the characters have traveled traveled back in the past. But this is one of those stories in which the character meets the future. The future. So what happens in the story is that the mother meets her child, um, to which she hasn't given birth to. So she sees that will the child will be okay or not. You will. I don't want to spoil anything. So you have to read the book for that. But I just want to let you know that the 2 stories, the sisters and the mother and the child, are very sentimental, are very good, and are very um, intriguing and keep the momentum in the book. So I really liked these stories very much. These are my personal favorite stories of the book. I would love to suggest this book to everyone. And I just want to read out to you one line that I really liked about in the book is that no matter what difficulties people face, they will always have the strength to overcome them. It just takes heart. And if the chair can change someone's heart, it clearly has its purpose. I really liked it. Okay, so it's really nice. The book is really nice, but I just want to let you know that in the book I felt lot confused while reading because of the lot of characters, because of a lot of characters in the book. And in the beginning you will find that the book is mundane. It deals with a very mundane theme, but it is really nice. It keeps the momentum in the end, and it is really nice. I would definitely suggest this book to everyone. It's a must-read book, and it's a five-star read star book from my side. I hope you like this video. If you have, then please like it, subscribe it, and leave the comment, leave the feedback in the comment section. And I'll improve my flaws, as I have always said. And bye bye. Thank you.
Play the ping pong.